Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys 1 Series, I'm talking about E81, E82, E87 or E88 guys with the 6-cylinder N51, N52 engine guys, straight 6-cylinder engine, and you guys are trying to find your oil separator valve, also known as crankcase breather valve or PCV valve. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located, how to get to it, and what needs to be done to remove and replace that valve guys. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, specifically on BMWs guys. We'll have probably close to 400-500 videos guys while we do all that, simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information to you guys. Now, if you need to buy a new valve, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We'll share it for your convenience. So this is guys the N52 engine. It has been used in multiple BMWs, some of them guys, okay, such as 1 Series, 3 Series, even X3, X5, 6 Series, 7 Series guys, 5 Series, super popular engine. Okay, this is one of the most popular engines that BMW built between years guys 2005 and 2015. Things to do guys before you start on your vehicle: disconnect the car battery. Okay, number one. And it's very important how you disconnect the car battery so you do not cause any damage to the engine computer, okay, or the electrical system. It depends which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you want to see how to do it correctly, we have the video on the channel, or check out the link. I will try to share it in the description of the video below guys. Why we need to disconnect the car battery? Because we have the alternator here, starter is on the back side, and if you touch one of those positive wires, okay, you can burn your electrical system guys. You will need to remove your intake manifold, the whole thing. If you don't know how to do it guys, we have the video. Don't worry, it's on the channel guys, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below, how to remove intake manifold. I don't want to waste your time now showing you how to do that because it's a long process, but if you want to see how to do it, we have the video. Once you do it, this is your PCV crankcase breather valve guys. This is the valve right here. Now it consists of guys 3 hoses. One lower hose that's on the very bottom that goes to the oil pan right here. It has an upper hose. This is the upper hose that goes on the back side of the valve cover, and it has another set of hose, okay, one hose with 2 outlets that goes to the intake manifold, and this is another angle connector heating valve here as well guys. So you have quite a few heaters here, one on the upper hose, one on the lower hose, and one on the valve itself guys. So all of those connect right here. Now how you disconnect it, how you remove it: you need to disconnect each of the hoses by squishing, okay, like that on each side, and just pull it up. Here you will have 3 screws guys that you need to remove. Okay, one, okay, the other one is, okay, let me see where it went, 2 underneath, okay, 1, 2, and then you have one underneath right there, and it comes out, and the whole assembly will pull out. Now this is guys for the N52 engine. Now if you have N53, N54 engine guys, that valve in most cases will be on top of the valve cover, under that engine cover. It will be mounted and it will be smaller. 4-cylinder engines guys, just look where it's located, just find the PCV valve, see what it looks like, and replace it guys, and see if that takes care of the problem. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.